I'm Mathea Ford with Nickeny's Kitchen. We create flavorful spices that are free of gluten, salt, sugar, MSGs, GMOs, preservatives, and are extremely delicious. You will find that the nutrition label also contains potassium and phosphorus amounts, unlike many other products on the market. I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist with over 20 years of experience working with clients to help them eat healthier using good food. The spice I used in this video is the Nickeny's Kitchen Texas Twist Spice. It's a blend of 4 peppers, garlic, onion, and cumin. It's absolutely delicious and it's a little bit spicy. If you go to nickenyskitchen.com, you can download the recipe with nutritional analysis and also purchase the spice. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day.